So one of the things that a lot of people are looking at Kangen water for is its colon cleansing properties. And what does that mean? Well, if you look at the holistic health field as a whole, you'll see a lot of focus on detoxification. And a lot of the industry experts, medical doctors, NDs, PhDs, that sort of thing, who are really versed in this area, understand that the state of your colon has a lot to do with the state of your health. And unfortunately, for most people, there is a large buildup of mucoid plaque inside the digestive tract. And I've written a lot of articles on this and talked about this for many years, as have many other professionals in the industry. But the question becomes of, well, we don't want all this sewer garbage kind of floating around in our colon because bad bacteria feeds on that, and there's evidence to support that these bad bacteria create all the toxic issues inside our body. So a lot of people will start a detoxification program but don't start cleaning the colon. And that's really kind of putting the cart before the horse. One of the powerful benefits of drinking Kangen water is that it promotes a high oxygen environment inside the colon, which brings the balance of bacteria into its proper functioning. The other thing is, by hydrating the colon, you're able to hydrate the dehydrated, compressed mucoid plaque that oftentimes have been there for years and years and years, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 years this stuff has been layered and packed down and dried up. So when people start hydrating them or super hydrating with the Kangen water, because of its microclustering propensities and its high alkalinity as well as the negative charge, this is like a triple combination, a 1, 2, 3, if you will, of how you can get this mucoid sludge out of the system. And when you do that, after that, now your cleansing program can start pulling out the toxic materials and stuff that is floating around inside the cellular matrix. Without cleaning the colon, you're really shortchanging results, and I think that Kangen water is unparalleled in its capacity to clean the colon. And one of the experiences that most people who have illnesses, advanced states of illness, things like cancer or whatever, is they'll notice there's usually a high level of constipation. And constipation is a subject that most people don't want to talk about, but the reality is this. If you're putting in a pound of food in, you should be putting a pound out. So if you're eating 3 meals a day, you should be going to the washroom 3 meals a day. Well, based on my years as a nutritionist and health practitioner, I know that most of the people that be coming into my clinic would be having bowel movements much less frequently. Now, this is a topic that not a lot of people want to talk about, but if you leverage experts like Dr. Hiromi Shinya, who advocates Kangen water, this fella is the man that developed the colonoscopy, in other words, where they took up and scoped the colon. Now, he's done over 300,000 colons and a lot of cancer patients, and by following an alkaline diet, drinking a gallon of Kangen water a day, he hasn't had a single reoccurrence of cancer. And I highly recommend his book, The Enzyme Factor, in your regimen so you can get educated by a professional medical doctor and see how Kangen has such a powerful effect in removing that mucoid plaque. So I'm Wei T. Lightheart, and I hope you enjoyed the video.